Are you struggling to achieve your weight loss goals? Setting realistic and achievable goals is crucial for success. When it comes to weight loss, it's important to be specific about what you want to achieve. Rather than aiming to lose 50 pounds in a month, aim for a more realistic and healthy goal of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Setting achievable goals will not only keep you motivated but also prevent burnout. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. For example, instead of completely cutting out junk food, try reducing your intake gradually. It's also important to track your progress. Keeping a food diary or using a fitness app can help you stay accountable and let you see how far you've come. Remember, slow and steady progress is better than quick fixes. Consistency is key. Don't compare your journey to others. Focus on your own accomplishments and celebrate each milestone along the way. Creating a support system can make all the difference. Find a workout buddy or join a weight loss group for encouragement and motivation. Be kind to yourself. It's okay to have setbacks or plateaus. Use them as opportunities to learn and make adjustments to your plan. Don't forget the power of positive thinking. Believe in yourself and your ability to reach your goals. Celebrate your non-scale victories, like feeling more energized or fitting into your favorite jeans. When setting goals, make sure they align with your values and priorities. Ask yourself why these goals are important to you and how they will improve your life. It's also important to be patient. Weight loss and healthy habits take time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember that every small step counts. If you slip up, don't give up. Get back on track and keep moving forward. Stay committed to your goals, even when it gets tough. Be mindful of your progress and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. By setting realistic and achievable goals, you are setting yourself up for long-term success. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and you will achieve your weight loss and healthy habit goals. Remember, it's not about the destination, but the journey towards a healthier, happier you. Start today and take that first step towards achieving the best version of yourself.